Welcome to the Holistic Growth Reset Program, a transformative journey designed to help you reclaim your health, vitality, and inner peace. I'm Yolanda Trevino, founder of Evolutionary Body System. This program was born from my own experiences of healing and transformation, and it's designed to help you achieve lasting change, whether you're rebuilding after a difficult experience or striving to reach your highest potential. The Holistic Growth Reset is unlike any other program available today. This comprehensive 6-week journey integrates mind, body, and spirit to guide you toward sustainable transformation. Each module is thoughtfully designed to build upon the last, taking you through key areas like holistic well-being, self-discovery, mindset mastery, goal setting, and more. You'll be introduced to specialized holistic techniques and actionable steps that you can immediately apply to your life, creating a powerful pathway to lasting, meaningful change. Throughout the 6 modules, Module 1 establishes a strong foundation in holistic well-being, addressing all aspects of health, emotional, mental, physical, and spiritual. Module 2 guides you through self-discovery, helping you align with your core values and strengths. Module 3 focuses on mastering your mindset, empowering you to overcome obstacles and build resilience. Module 4 is about setting and achieving goals that are deeply aligned with your life's purpose. Module 5 helps you integrate these new habits into your daily life, ensuring they become sustainable. Module 6 introduces advanced strategies for continued personal evolution and long-term growth. These modules work synergistically to lead you through a complete transformation, ensuring every aspect of your well-being is nurtured and developed. In addition to the core program, we offer 3 valuable bonuses specifically designed to complement the course, extend your progress, and enhance your transformation journey. They are available for you to explore further at your convenience. The Holistic Growth Reset is more than just a course, it's a transformative experience that will change how you live, think, and feel. By focusing on holistic well-being, mindset mastery, and personal evolution, this program empowers you to create lasting, meaningful change in your life. Are you ready to take the first step toward a healthier, more fulfilling life? Join the Holistic Growth Reset today and start your transformation journey. Your future begins with this decision. For more information, visit www.evolutionarybodysystem.com, where you can explore the bonuses and learn more about the program. Thank you for considering the Holistic Growth Reset. I'm excited to see the transformation you're about to embark on.